Now let us convert 3 whole number 1 over 4 to improper fraction. Now, to do this, I'll also use two methods like we have done in the previous video, for you to choose whichever one you find easier. Remember, I mentioned that the second method is faster and then quite easy to understand. But the first method, we have 3 whole number plus 1 over 4. Remember, you have to bring this to a fraction, and the fraction will be 3 over 1. Now add that to 1 over 4. Now you have to bring this into a fraction that is equivalent to this but has the same denominator as this other fraction, which is 4. So to do that, I have to multiply 1 by 4 to get 4. So I'll multiply 3 by 4 as well. That is 3 times 4 over 1 times 4 plus 1 over 4. So at the numerator here, I would get 12 over 4 plus 1 over 4. And this would give me, now pick the common denominator, which is 4, and then we add the numerator, 12 plus 1. And then our final answer would be 13 over 4. This method can be a bit tricky, but to do it in shorter steps and arrive at your answer faster, we apply the second method, now which is 3 whole number 1 over 4. And in this case, remember, you multiply the denominator 4 by the whole number 3. Put that in a bracket, plus the numerator 1 over, repeat the same denominator, which is 4. Now what is 4 multiplied by 3? You get 12 plus 1 over 4. And then our final answer is 13 over 4. Once again, we have arrived at the same answer. I feel this method is faster. In case if you are taking an exam that is time limited, you can then apply this method. But if you find this easy, go on and do you. Thank you.